Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 FE, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me I'll be using just the home screen. Once the content that you wish to capture is visible on the screen, like my home screen, you need to just press the power button and volume down at the same time. You get this kind of like a weird animation on the borders, and then the screenshot, which gives you edit, tag, share, and lens options. And it does disappear on its own. When it does so, you can find the captured screenshot by going into your gallery. Let's get back here. And it will be visible under the Photos tab at the very top, but if you're trying to find your screenshot later on, like weeks, months down the line, it will be much simpler to navigate to Albums, and in here you'll find a Screenshot album, in which you'll find just screenshots and nothing else. And here's the one that I have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.